Alrighty, it's a cold day. I didn't get a wink of sleep yesterday night, and we're gonna go climb that little mountain just there. I'll figure out the name for you guys, but I'll see you at the base. Oh man, you're kidding. All those dogs are here again. Shit. He's a little cutie. There's some others back there. Seems like they always come out when I'm just here by myself. But there's usually one like ringleader dog who's always trying to like nip my legs. And he was there today, but he was pretty okay. He gave me a little growl. Maybe it's the cold weather, makes him a bit more chilled. There's a dude in there riding his horse. He might have stopped now. Anyway. Here, this building ahead is Belmore Cemetery. I've never been in myself. They're closed at the moment. But yeah, just a little cemetery, nothing too much going on. Something. Kind of tell they bury their people a bit different to Westerners like myself. Alright, here we are, beginning of the track. No, it doesn't really look like you're meant to go through there, but no, that's the beginning. Let me just, just like that, easy peasy. Old mate farmer comes up here sometimes. Just got land up here, and yeah, all right, so we begin. So here we are, we made it to the first spell area. Piedra de Descanso. That just means like point of rest, area of rest. To let people know, take a break here. They got some little mirror thing, or not mirror, what am I talking about? Little photo frame thing. The tree actually fits in quite nicely. I might just put it there just for that. But yeah, got Pelmore. Oh, got old JC. Kind of looks like me a little bit. Some flowers. People who did it. Now these trees are brutal. One thing I have noticed a lot about Chile and South America, heaps of the branches of trees have so many little spiky bits on them. They'll attack you. They hate you. Oh, not hate, obviously, but they're mean. They're mean little fellas. And then you come over here, you got like a little rest area. It's actually kind of cool up here. I think about once a year I've been told that to come and honour the Virgin of the town, back in the old days, they come up here, like the whole town, or nearly the whole town, and they like bring like salads and meats and everything, and someone brings wood and stuff to make a fire, and yeah, they have a barbecue and the whole town gets together and enjoys a big feed, like in this big open area. It's pretty nice. Yeah. Then you can see it a bit, the little town where we're living. That's little Pelmo. It's not big at all, but it's a great little town, perfect. You got like the China shop just there, the big red building, and then to the right and down a bit more, you got like the main supermarket, and then all around the supermarket, you got people like my Verduria. Pretty sure that's how you say it. But the place that I buy all my fruit and veggies at. Then you got your carniceria, where I get all my steak at. Sometimes my eggs. And then the panaderia. They all end in here over here, the shops. And that's where I get all my bread from. And yeah, it's a great town. I do like it. Reminds me of my home down in Tassie. But yeah, better stop mucking around. Let's get back to it. Look at this guy pointing the way. Who even are you, mate? Yeah, it's not a bad one, eh? Who even are you? Alrighty, up we go. Oh, another little rest spot. Oh. Oh. It's starting to drizzle a bit, which isn't too much fun, but I've been told this GoPro's waterproof, so we should be alright. Little cool history thing about this mountain and many other mountains, or they're not mountains, they're more so hills. But in all these little towns throughout Chile, and I'm pretty sure all that throughout South America, they have a cross at the top of the tallest hill of the town. And it said that the devil used to live on the top of each of the hills, and he would throw stones at the little town and destroy all the buildings and hurt people and everything. So at the top of each hill, they put a cross up there, so the devil can't make land and destroy all the buildings and everything. And the first time I came up here, I was with Leah's mum, and she told me that history. And Leah's mum asked if I wanted to go all the way to the top, and I said yes. I said sí, and I also said yo quiero ver el diablo, which means I want to go see the devil, or I want to see the devil. And Ingrid had no idea that I knew the history, so she must have just thought I was a crazy Satanist person going up to the top to sacrifice a lamb or something, I don't know. But yeah, that's a little story about how the devil used to chuck rocks at little villages. It's pretty groovy, some stuff that people think up. All right, the drizzle. Oh, my rock seat nearly fell on my leg. All right, yep, rain stopped, so no more messing around. Keep marching on, get up to the top, and yeah, I'll show you the cross. It's actually a pretty cool cross. I've done something a bit silly up there. Anyway, I'll show you when I get up there. You can see that there's a bunch of hoof tracks in the way, or in the dirt, sorry. So you can tell that all the caballeros, which is like all the horse folk, they come riding up this way a lot. Oh, another sign. Nice. There's the other side of the hill. Just a couple houses and paddock land. And over there, can't quite see it too well, but then there's Pelmo. And now, you get here, oh, Los Tres Boldos. I'm guessing Boldos has to be hills. So look at that, new word for me. But anyway, if you ever come here, hiking track, left, up there. Running track, right down here. Now whatever you do, even if you're running it, take the hiking track. That running track is a liar. I've gone that way on the running track twice now, and it's not maintained. It's just overgrown with a bunch of prickly bushes, and it's just a nightmare to get through. Not a nightmare, but it's not fun. It's not a good time. This way is a lot better. So you get a real nice good view when you come onto this side. Massive river, which I don't know the name of. I can find that out for you though. Goes all the way down, way down there. Massive. It's got like more little houses, couple towns down that way. I don't know the names of them. One of them starts with T. I know that much. Oh yeah. It's pretty smooth sailing from here on the walk. Not much farther. Then just when you get to the base of the main hill, it's just like a couple of loop-de-loops on an incline. But all these guys, look at them all, truckloads. It's even worse on the running track, can you believe it? I guess you got to believe it actually, because it's true. Oh, you got like a bunch of cacti. It's like chilling about. They're pretty groovy. Oh, there's a massive one down here. Actually, no, on the running track, you do come across a big, massive, ugly one. It's like something out of The Last of Us, like one of the mutant zombie things. Anyway, let's continue. Look at those groovy fellas. It's like being in a Western. They are really prickly as well. They got mean thorns on them. La Grutita. Not quite sure what that one means. Anyway, we go this way. There's trees and stuff, but put up some nice colourful ribbons here along the way. Oh, that's kind of the locals. Yeah. This is a nice part of the walk through this little bushy area. More ribbons. And then here they have a memorial thing to Jesus and to the Virgin of like the town. Then you got this, I tried to understand this before. Si vas a caballo, deja que el corazón lleve las riendas. It's like, if you go, direct translation is like, if you go to the horse, leaves, he leaves, yeah. If you go to the horse leaves, that the heart Deha, far out. Then the heart, oh, I don't even know, man. I got no idea. That the heart stays the something. Oh, I got no idea. I'm gonna have to ask Leah again. I'll show her this video, but I think it's meant to be like a tongue twister or something. Something that doesn't make sense unless like you grew up here and kind of know the language. But I'll figure it out. Let's continue. Cool little gap. Damn horse scared the living bejeebers out of me. Well, what's going on, mate? You well? Is it like cool if we just pass each other? Oh, go on. You can pass. Go on. Go on. You don't want to pass me? Come on, it's a good road. Come on. All right. Yeah. He was a respectable gentleman in the end, but turned the corner and he was just there. Scared the living daylights out of me. Whoa. Big rock. Whoa. Rocks are pretty cool. I like rocks. Oh, wait. That's a better view of the town. Look at that. Be nice if it was a bit sunny, but I like doing walks when it's a bit cloudy and overcast. It's not bad. Look at that, what they got here. Such a nice thing for the lovers. Yeah. Seeing that though without my lady here makes me feel so lonely. No, I think she's still napping. Ooh. Might have to tie my hair up, the wind's going a bit crazy. But yeah, pretty cute. It's like Love Poem or and El Mirador means the lookout. I know that one for damn sure. Yeah, I find it cute how they do stuff like this here. Just a bunch of little twists and turns now till we get up to the top. A couple little things to see along the way, so we'll see when we get to them. Caca de caballo. Horse poop. It's starting to rain again. Not real heavy or anything, but a bit more than before. So I hope it just passes again. I think it's just passing, yeah. Oh! They just stepped foot off the track. Took a tumble down into the bushes. We don't want that, no, no, no. Nice little hidey hole. Another alright view. Be nicer if it wasn't so misty and foggy, but you get what you get. And I was dead wrong. The rain was not just passing by. Yeah. Ah well, bit of water never hurts. We are here. Need a bit of hydration. Alrighty. So here's the famous Paumo Cross. Yeah, nothing too crazy, nothing like the ones they got in Brazil, but it's still cool. Only thing, yeah, they got that power line. That's the annoying thing that I was talking about before. And then they got the sacrificial altar. This is where they sacrifice all the young children. Nah, I'm just kidding. They didn't do that. Nah, I don't know. Couldn't tell you. But yeah, like the power station, radio stuff. My legs are feeling a bit funny. Come around here. It's got a lot more little spots. Just dead flat ground, hills and mountains either side. That's the real cool thing about Chile. That no matter where you really go, you've always got some hikes somewhere. Up north, oh, I don't know up north because it's mainly desert. But down the south, down in the Patagonia, if you're ever considering going down, I would definitely recommend it. I think adventure-wise, the south of Chile is by far the best place in South America. They got some luxurious places down there. Just beautiful lush rainforests. Got like awesome rivers, glaciers and everything. Of course the Torres del Paine. Big mountains. It's good. Yeah. I'm cold. So I might head back down, make a coffee or a hot chocolate. Ah yeah. Someone put this up here as well. That poor old fella bit the dust, probably a bit too young, but shit happens, shite happens. Need to stop swearing. Anyway, I'll catch us back down at the bottom. And back down we go. It's not too long now, got... Oh my lord! I nearly just died slipping on that rock. Whew! Well, let's try and get down in one piece. Talk to you at the bottom. Here we are, back at the start. Whoa, squeezing through there. Alright, time to get home. I'm actually pretty excited. I'm gonna get home, gonna make some scrambled eggs on toast with a coffee, and yeah, I'm hungry now. After that hike, I've got some munchies. So I'll see you back at the house. Made it home in one piece. Can't complain. Gonna go get a feed now. I'll see you all later. Just take it easy now.